Hello, I'm Sunnee O'Rork, Executive Director of the i.d.e.a. Museum. There's still time to help a child spark their imagination by bringing the atrium that I'm standing in at the i.d.e.a. Museum to life. Families are going into our outdoor atrium space, but it still needs to be activated even more than it already is. So we need your help right now. While we do have some colorful yarn cozies on the trees and some painted tire planters, we still need engaging interactives that provide access to sparking imagination. So we need to raise $25,000 to complete it by December 11th. $25 provides rocks that a child can paint, place in our creative rock garden, and take one home. $50 helps pay for art supplies to make a fairy or gnome for the garden and provide a sense of wonder. $75 aids in planting steel flowers that spark imagination and create the musical flowers garden. $100 helps buy a relaxing fountain or water feature. Feel good knowing you can make this space come alive and be accessible to wonder-inspiring activities. Donate today and help us reach our $25,000 goal to complete this space by December 11th. Go to i.d.e.a.museum.org and help us today. Thank you so much.